everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through how to get Snapchat Plus free trial for lifetime. To use Snapchat Plus free trial for lifetime, first of all open your Snapchat application and hit on the profile icon which is on the top left corner of your screen. From there, if you scroll down, then there you will see an option of Snapchat Plus. Hit on that. Now when you click on that, hit on the next and you will automatically see the option of 1 month free trial. First of all, hit on the start free trial. Now what you can do is use the another account and do the same for the another account as well. So in this way you can use Snapchat Plus free trial for lifetime, otherwise there is no any option. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.